What's up everyone? Today we have a 2004 Saleen Mustang, factory supercharged, 34,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. All right, so today we are in a 2004 Saleen Mustang, and this is a factory supercharged Saleen Mustang, and via the Saleen paperwork, this is actually a one-of-one Saleen with the options and features that it has, and we'll kind of dive into that during this video. Make sure I get my seatbelt on there. In 2004, these supercharged Saleens are rated at 375 horse and 415 foot-pounds of torque. They are your supercharged 4.6s. They run great. Again, 375 horse and 415 foot-pounds of torque is great. This one is a really nice and tight driving car. It is a clean Carfax. No accidents or damage ever reported in 34,817 actual miles. Again, clean Carfax, have the Marti Report, have the Saleen window sticker, and then the Saleen paperwork breaking down the options. And this is a one-of-one car. 5-speed manual transmission, obviously. All of your upgrades from Saleen back in the day, and just a killer car to drive. Factory AC's on, blows nice and cold. On your exhaust system, it does have an aftermarket set of mufflers or a Dynomax muffler. You have the killer dual tip exhaust in the middle of the rear bumper in the back. I think it's one of the best looking exhaust systems on a Mustang. And I obviously love the cosmetic stylings of the Saleens of this body style. They're super underappreciated for a long time, and they're really starting to gain popularity. This is just a great car, great example, great miles, and drives excellent. On the interior, you have your factory Saleen interior. This does have the Saleen sport leather seats. Super comfortable. Really minor wear on the edge of the driver's seat bolster from getting in and out, but no tears, no cracks in the dash. You obviously have your factory Saleen gauges up on the dash there. Your 200 mile an hour white face Saleen gauges, or Saleen gauges, sorry, excuse me. So I say that right so I don't get tore down on the internet. You do have an aftermarket stereo you can hook your phone up to. It's a Kenwood stereo. Carpets, mats, door panels, everything's in really nice shape. On the Does It Work section, all of your gauges, lights, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, all that stuff works correctly. You will find that Does It Work section in the additional informations tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. And we'll dive into a little bit more info here in just a second, but since we're warmed up and no cars are coming, I'm gonna go ahead and do our little aggressive pull here, get into the supercharger a little bit. Not a terribly loud car, but the mufflers do sound good coming out the back. Performs great. Again, it's a great driving car. Underneath is awesome, nothing to complain about. Floors are awesome, frame's great, suspension, steering, rear end, everything checks out awesome. On the exterior, it is code G2, which is the Redfire Saleen. Like I touched on earlier, you obviously have your front and back bumpers, you have the rear spoiler, you have all the Saleen upgrades. This is a silver graphic car, so Redfire, silver graphics. You have a little bit of clear coat peeling off on the lower front corners of the bumper. Some touch-ups, miscellaneous little flaws kind of around the car from it being driven some, but still a very, very presentable and a very nice car. The other spots you do have on the side skirts, you do have some little spider cracking spots in the paint. Again, very, very common for these cars. Pretty much every single one of these that I've owned have had those same spots, but still a great looking car. You have your factory upgraded Saleen wheels. Tires are in great shape. The date code on the tires is going to be posted on that Does It Work section. I believe the rear tires are a little bit newer than the front tires, but both of them are great. No dry rot, no cracking, no hard spots going down the road. And the additional informations tab on the website, again, pcclassiccars.com, you will see photos of all the little imperfections that I'm talking about. Shifter feels good, goes in and out of gear properly. Clutch feels great. Front suspension appears to be factory equipment. The rear suspension does have aftermarket tubular control arms. and an aftermarket sway bar. Still drives really nice. It's very tight when it comes to the steering. It's very, very responsive. Driving position is very comfortable. This is I believe they're a 6-way power adjustable seat over here on the driver's side. These Saleen sport seats are very comfortable. You have this really nice bolster on the side that keeps you where you're at when you're going around corners and turns. The seats are comfortable. You have your creature comforts like tilt, cruise, power windows, power locks, mirrors, all that's good to go. I do like the upgraded sound system. Again, I like looking at my phone, listening to the music I like. Rear view mirror's nice. You have your little Bluetooth microphone up there above the rear view mirror. Glass is all in great shape. I will say the Saleen banner on the windshield is the original one. And it's got some little pieces missing out of it, but still in nice shape. If you wanted to order a new one, you could. Again, a really fun driving car, has enough power to have a lot of fun, cruises down the road really nice, and I think these cars are just excellent looking Saleens. Like I mentioned earlier in a lot of my videos with these particular cars, I personally feel like they're an underappreciated body style and some of the best looking Saleens. You do still have your factory quad shocks in the back. I would personally upgrade to a newer shock. I believe they're the original one, so it's probably time to upgrade the rear shocks. Inside the trunk is nice. Nothing's out of place back there at all. It's all factory. In the engine compartment, it's very clean, very sanitary. Nothing is out of place. It is the numbers matching motor. Obviously, it is a factory supercharged car. All of your fluids look good. The charging system is doing its job. So again, in there's nothing out of place and it shows great. As always, I'm Mike. This is a 2004 supercharged Saleen Mustang with 34,823 miles. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, I appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our videos. Make sure you check out the content all across our social platforms. Check us out at PCClassicCars.com, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.